Following the current statistics that indicate a few number of people who are getting immunized against the pandemic disease COVID-19 in Uganda, the Kabale District Health Office has resulted to the setting up of new vaccination centers and the distribution of the COVID-19 vaccines at different strategic points so as to ensure the effectiveness of the vaccination process in the district.
We shall dispatch all the vaccines to all our facilities tomorrow and the weekend. We shall ensure that at least within the municipality, tomorrow some sites can start even vaccinating. We shall go to NTCs, we shall prioritize health students of tertiary institutions, especially those who could have missed. We know the vaccine was not very accessible, so we want to see that when students go back to school, they are vaccinated and they are not at risk. Also, pose a risk to the people that use the services, especially tutors and lecturers.
On the 4th of November, Kabale District received at most 24,000 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine, where distribution started with a 2-day vaccination campaign in partnership with Nile Breweries Uganda Limited, where at least 300 people were vaccinated.
We reached Nile Breweries for support, and as one of their goals for supporting communities that have been their customers for long, they decided to also increase access to COVID-19 vaccination, and they partnered with us. They mobilized people so that they can get access vaccination, and for us we availed them with the vaccine and the health workers to conduct the exercise.
We stepped in as Nile Breweries Uganda Limited because of the call from the big man, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. He wanted the maximum of at least 4.8 million Ugandans to be vaccinated for the economy to be fully opened.
On the other hand, schools and institutions in the district have also got involved in the process of vaccination to implement the presidential directive, looking forward to opening up the rest of the economy in the country.
Kabale Hospital and Bishop Adam University have joined together in the pursuit to end the surge for COVID-19. We are vaccinating all people who are willing to get vaccinated against COVID-19. Students and staff members and those stakeholders who are within requested to be vaccinated, and because we wanted to make it easy for them, we had an MOU with Kabale Hospital who turned up today to make sure that students and the staff members and the stakeholders get vaccinated.
Bishop Bam University College is holding a 3-day vaccination campaign at the campus premises, where 700 students and staff are expected to vaccinate so as to ensure health safety at the university for now that the students are doing physical studies.
And it is expected to run for 3 days. That is today, tomorrow, and on Friday. And we are doing this exercise because students have been studying online away from the university. Now they have been allowed to enter the university officially, and they come from different corners of the country, and we are not sure the areas where they come from, whether they are safe, and they are now joining a new community and from different corners. So we proposed this idea so that we have them vaccinated. It is a voluntary exercise, and we are expecting to vaccinate about 700 students.
University students also embrace the initiative to get vaccinated due to many different reasons.
The vaccines have been brought nearer, so I found it easy to access the services.
In the end, we are all fighting one enemy, which is COVID-19. And I think being vaccinated is a good thing for everyone, health-wise. Either way, if we're going to do anything, if we're going to travel, or you're going to probably start working somewhere, they're going to start asking for these cards, and if you don't have them, I think it will also be a problem.
At first, I had different views from different people, and even on social medias, people, they were criticizing that there is a negative effect that will come upon those people who will take the jab. But when I tried to investigate, to ask those who took their first jabs and even all the jabs, I found that nothing happened to their health. They were okay, and that's why I have decided to also to come for my first jab.
The Dean of Students BBUC, Apple Mbarema, says that this exercise is voluntary and vaccination is not to be done by forcing anyone to get vaccinated.
Being vaccinated is a voluntary exercise, so the university is not going to force students to be vaccinated, but what we are doing is to sensitize them about the goodness of being vaccinated.
Nabati Yamachi for Starries TV.
There had been some hopes through people around that be patient, the drugs are coming.